Hello, everyone. Ever wondered if a drink that contains no calories could actually do more for your skin than your favorite tea? Well, let's find out. Today, we're diving into the world of zero-calorie detox drinks and their incredible benefits for your skin. This isn't just another trend, it's a powerful way to achieve that sought-after radiant glow. So, grab your glass and let's get into it. Now, many of us deal with skin issues like dryness, dullness, and even acne. These problems often stem from not getting enough hydration and not removing toxins effectively from our bodies. This is where the magic of a zero-calorie detox drink really shines. Let's talk about what goes into this miraculous drink. Imagine ingredients like fresh lemon juice, mint, cucumber, and ginger. These aren't just refreshing, they work together to cleanse your system and support your skin's health from the inside out. To whip up this detox delight, simply slice some cucumber and ginger, tear up a few mint leaves, and squeeze in the juice of a lemon into a jug of water. Let it infuse overnight in your fridge, and it's ready to enjoy the next day. How do you make the most of this detox drink? It's easy. Just drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and carry a bottle with you to sip throughout the day. For the best results, aim to make this part of your daily routine. Now, ready for the exciting part? Beyond just keeping you hydrated, this drink can transform your skin. Users have reported not just a reduction in inflammation, but also a noticeable improvement in their skin's texture and an undeniable glow. It's like a natural makeover in a glass. To wrap it up, this zero-calorie detox drink is your go-to for hydrating and purifying your body, giving you clearer, more radiant skin. Simple to make, delightful to drink, and amazing for your skin. What's not to love? If you enjoyed this quick guide and are curious to try out this fantastic recipe, please share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future health tips and recipes. Here's to your health and radiant skin. Cheers.